Hey guys, Martin here, Golden Paydirt Reviews. And we got another shipment in, and this time a bag of Paydirt. It's review time. We got 1 pound of Paydirt from Washinton Beach Mining. This is his Squonk Mining Wire Crystal Gold Paydirt, a special brand he's put out. $59 with free shipping. I bought it from eBay. Guaranteed to only have a 1/4 gram. That's the minimal it will have. So kind of, that's what really took me a long time to actually try this Paydirt, just because of such low guarantee for $60, a $60 bag of Paydirt. But I'm here, I'm the reviewer, I'll bite the bullet, but let's hope we found a good one. The the reason this bag is expensive and it's somewhat special is because it's supposed to hold wire crystal gold, which a lot of people pay a premium for that stuff. But depending on the size of it, if you go into the description on eBay and then his website, it's really confusing. He mentions really small gold with under 50 mesh and below with micro lenses. And then the other one, he says plus 20. So it's really confusing, but we're going to give it a shot. That's why I'm here to do it. It is from Washington, literally Washington, District Liberty, Washington, and the place is called Squonk River. That's where he's collecting it. He also states this is 100% unsearched Paydirt beyond what he adds, so he does not check his cons, supposedly. Now, everyone says that. How true to it is, I just don't know. But let's get this going. Let's weigh it up. Let's see if we got our pound, and then we'll get further into it. So I'll be right back. I do like the bag. It is really nice, and I love the label. So he's definitely getting an A+ on shipping, an A+ on the bag, the packaging, and an A+ on the label. Customer service, I'm going to give him a question mark. I didn't write him anything yet. I don't know, but I will just before the video ends, just to see how fast he responds. But beyond that, let's get into weigh up. I'll be right back. All right, weigh up time. Let's see if we got a 1 pound of Paydirt like promised. 1.13 ounces. All right, we got a 1 pound like he promised. A+ on that. I always like to see a little above. Can't complain about that. Let's get this going and let's get it classified. I'll be right back. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Be a subscriber. Hit the notification bell for all my updated videos, awesome giveaways, notifications, and more. The new thing that YouTube did is when you click the bell, you got to hit all now to get everything. They're trying to make it tricky, but I'll be right back. Just don't forget to hit the subscription button. All right, guys, classification time. Let's get this ready to go. Let's see what this Squonk Mining Wire Crystal Gold Paydirt from District Liberty, Washington is all about. Let's see why it's $59 with free shipping for just a 1/4 gram guaranteed. All right, guys, classification's done. Let's get down to it. This is my plus 10 material, my under 10 over 20, my under 20 over 40, and my under 40, 60, 80, 100 to 300 mesh. Everything here is pretty much even. Most of it is in my under 20 over 40, but beyond that, it's a little dusty. As you can see, the rim of the pans are a little dusty. It should be a little dusty because he is claiming it is totally unsearched pay dirt with added gold, but a guaranteed quartergram. Now, I did see some weird looking gold in the plus 10. It did look wired gold. I did not look at it. I'd rather find out panning it, but I saw it as I was classifying it. I'm pretty excited about this. I can't wait to pan it out and see what we got. Remember, guys, this was $59 with free shipping with a guaranteed quartergram only. Now, that's kind of scary, but at the same time, I bought plenty of bags of pay dirt that had no guaranteed gold for above $60, $70, and I got a fantastic ROI. Some of them were misses and some of them were hits. But that's why I'm here, guys, to take the hit. If it's bad, let you guys know. But let's get into business. Let's see what this stuff pans out to. I'll be right back. All right, it's panning time. Right before I start, I just wanted to show you one thing. There was a considerable amount of black sand in the under 40, 60, 80, 100, 300 mesh. There was a decent amount. Just wanted to show you that. So let's get to panning. finished panning up the material. This is what this wild crystal gold looks like. Really beautiful stuff. Like really nice. Definitely new to me. You know, I didn't see a lot of this so far in my reviewing career. Not a lot of companies offer it. I know Gold Bay did offer something like this, but it is really, really nice. Now, some of this stuff does hold an absolute premium, but it isn't the easiest stuff to sell. So you could take that with a grain of salt. There was a guaranteed 1/4 gram in this bag. This stuff is really light. I'll go over it in my final results and thoughts about it, but it is really beautiful. I'll be right back. There was some really ultra fine gold in here, and you can see it back in this corner, and stick it to the sides over here, over here, over here, over here. There was actually a little more in the black sand, but since I just snuff a bottle, I'll have it ready for a drying period. But yeah, this is all the bigger stuff. Nice stuff, nice stuff. Definitely an A+. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. I just finished panning this stuff out. I got my numbers together, and let's get this going. So this was 1 pound of WashingtonBeachMining.com. Their Swamp Mining District Liberty of Washington wire crystal gold Paydirt. I said that like 8 times already, but just to let you know. So all in all, I had an absolute blast. I've really never panned Paydirt like this before. So it was definitely something different. Great to gain the experience under my wing. If you guys noticed, when I was panning, I used the tweezers. The reason I did that is because the gold was working itself right out of the pan with the material. It's fluffy, it's light, and it's not something that's like the usual gold that just stays in the bottom crease. This stuff will work itself right out. But beyond that, it is really some beautiful stuff. Let's get into some numbers and we'll talk about the rest. Let's get the light on. Okay, we'll tear it out. Let's give it a typical 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, calling it. 0.39 grams of gold. At today's numbers, that is exactly $19.50 worth of gold. This bag was $59 with free shipping with a guaranteed 1/4 gram. Well, we got over a 1/4 gram, definitely. The ROI on this bag is 33%. Pretty bad. But the value could be somewhat different. You can sell this stuff for a premium, but the problem is getting it sold for the price you want. A lot of people double the price of wire gold and crystal gold, whatever you want to call it, but it's not easy to sell. At the end of the day, gold is sold by weight. So if you're trying to sell this, you're going to get your money via whatever the weight of the gold is. You could take your time, put it on eBay and other sites, but at the end of the day, when you really want to sell it and you want to sell your gold fast, they're going to weigh it up and you're going to get that price. But it is something beautiful to keep. Let's get an up close and personal look. Let me shake it up a little. I have some pictures of it I will show you very shortly and they'll pop up. But it is beautiful. The pictures will do better justice for it. There's a lot of nice pieces in there. Trying to get this one. Whew. Yeah, you see that one in the middle is pretty beautiful. Right, let me see if I can see. Here you go. That one's really nice. This one's nice. And this one right there is nice. This one right here. Really, it's all beautiful. It's all very nice. But those 3 or 4 pieces stand out the most. Most of it's really wire gold. The other ones have those crystal drops on top. But there was all size mesh gold in there. There was everything from +10 to under 100. So you will have some fun panning it. And there was a considerable amount of black sand and hematite in the lower meshes below 40. But everything else, there was really nothing. That stuff flew right out of the pan. So I'm going to say I liked it. You want to give it a shot, you'll have some fun. It was pretty expensive, $59 for only $19.50 worth of gold. I will have some people comment and say that the gold is premium, it sells more. I'm sure it does if you have patience. But that's it. I'm going to get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. Hit that thumbs up. If you really like the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell for all the recent notifications. And if you would like to help out the channel, you know you can support me on Patreon. Everything is in the description below, even the link to buy this Paydirt, and also his website where he has it $1 cheaper. Till then, I'll see you guys on the next review. This is Martin from Golden Paydirt Review saying thanks for watching. Happy hunting. Peace. Boop. I'm out.